So now we need to install the extruder onto the printer. We have the extruder and the two bolts, M3 by 6 millimeter. Okay, and here is a mounting plate, and here's a location bolt. It's easy for you to locate the hole to this bolt, so it's easy to relocate it. Let's try to install it. Okay, we turn this side, and this is we're hiding the belt inside, so it's an invisible belt. And also on the extruder, we have two holes to hide the film, the belt. So locate the bolt and invert the extruder. Cut. It will locate it exactly onto the mounting plate, and now we can lock the extruder. You use one hand to hold it, and also the other hand to tighten the locking bolts. There are two bolts. So the first bolts, you don't have to be very tight in the beginning. So you have the way to adjust a little bit, and you install the second one. Okay, let's turn to this side so you can see more clearly. Let's move this up. Okay, so you see the two bolts. Okay, we turn. First one a little bit tight. Second one. Okay, a little bit tight. Okay, we need to tighten the other one once more. All right, perfect. It cannot move or shaking anymore. It's very tight on this gantry. So you see, it's very tight now. And now we have to invert the E1, E2 extruder. The top one is E1 here, E1. Okay, so on the mark, there's a E1. So E1 tube to the E1 connector, invert it until to the end of the extruder. And also E2 extruder, E2 to the E2 fitting and invert it. Okay, that's great. And also the invisible cable here. This is an extruder data cable. It's an interlinked cable, and invert it. Okay, now it's fine. In case you want more secure, here's a locking system. You can lock it. You can tighten it, so extruder will be more secure. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your watching.